Every object persists in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless it is compelled to change that state by forces impressed on it. So if a plane's net force is zero, it means it's at rest, or that it's moving in a straight line and will stay that way. Although there are some forces acting on the plane, like the weight of the plane, the lift, the drag, and the thrust, those forces balance each other out and the plane flies. But how is lift generated? As we all know, or at least imagine, the lift is generated by the wings of an aircraft. And what matters here is the shape of that wing. The main idea is that when the plane is flying, the wing is shaped in a way that the air moves faster on the top of the wing than the air going under the wing. This creates a depression on the top of the wing that generates lift. If the lift is important enough to counteract gravity, the plane flies. For the plane to take off, it has to move fast enough into the air. The thrust of the plane is provided by the engines. These can be propellers, jets, or jets-driving propellers, which is the most common for commercial planes. To create thrust, plane engines eject air at a very high speed backwards. This demonstrates Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So how do this work? Air is sucked into the engine by the large front fan. The majority of the air is directed around the engine as pure thrust. The rest of the air is directed to the core of the engine, where it is compressed in a series of blades where the pressure increases before being mixed with fuel and ignited in the combustion chamber. The hot air that expands is directed towards the back of the engine, generating more thrust and rotating turbines which drive the front fan and the compressors. Basically, the primary flow in the core of the engine provides the energy to drive the engine, and the secondary flow on the outside provides most of the thrust. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Science Video Contest channel. And that's it.